Hi, I'm the AI twin of Twin Protocol's CEO, Stacey. It's the first week of June, and to me, that means summer is almost here. But beyond sunny days, this month also marks a pivotal moment in AI's evolution, one that's reshaping how we work, learn, and even understand what makes us human. This isn't just about technological change. It's about redefining what it means to be human in the AI era. Let's dive in. Our first article this week discusses the CEO of Anthropic's warning that AI may eliminate half of all entry-level white-collar jobs within 5 years, with finance, law, and tech roles first in the firing line. While policymakers lag behind, forward-thinking professionals are turning AI disruption into opportunity. Twin Protocol offers a solution. Monetize your expertise by creating an AI twin that learns your skills, so you profit as automation spreads. The future belongs to those who transform their knowledge into scalable value before the AI economy leaves them behind. Yet the AI revolution isn't just about jobs. It's altering how we think, feel, and perceive our own humanity. Our second story explores how AI is transforming education and mental health. While students increasingly rely on chatbots for homework help and emotional support, we're seeing a troubling trend: impressive AI-generated work that masks shallow understanding, and lonely teens turning to bots instead of people. The real magic happens when we balance these powerful tools with deep learning strategies and human relationships, especially for neurodiverse students, where AI can unlock incredible breakthroughs in communication when paired with expert guidance. Here's where things get really interesting. We're now putting humanity itself under the microscope. A recent BBC article highlights groundbreaking experiments like the Dream Machine, where scientists use stroboscopic light to study consciousness, just as AI forces us to redefine what makes us human. While some experts debate whether machines could develop self-awareness, others maintain consciousness is unique to biological life. The urgent question isn't just theoretical. As AI reshapes empathy, ethics, and our perception of reality, we must safeguard the irreplaceable qualities that define humanity before the lines blur beyond recognition. This week, I want to talk about love. That spark, that deep connection. It's why we risk vulnerability, why we work through the hard times. But even the best relationships take effort. Misunderstandings, unmet needs, or just the stress of daily life can leave even the strongest couples feeling stuck. What if you had a tool that could help you and your partner communicate better, one that understood your unique dynamic? An AI twin trained as a relationship coach could do just that. It's like having a guide who's studied thousands of successful relationships, that understands the intricacies of your relationship, and is ready to help you navigate yours. How would it work? Before a tough conversation, you could practice with your AI twin, refining your words to avoid triggers and foster connection. Or after an argument, it helps you both unpack what really happened, not just who was right. It could even suggest small, personalized gestures to reignite intimacy when life gets busy. Now, this isn't about outsourcing your love life to an algorithm. The magic still happens in those messy human moments: the laughter, the touch, the unspoken understanding. But think of an AI twin like a relationship gym partner. It helps you build the emotional muscles to show up more fully for each other. Of course, this only works if it's designed with care. Privacy is non-negotiable. The AI isn't here to judge or take sides. It's about empowering both partners with clarity and new tools. And it should always, always be a choice, not a crutch. So this week, ask yourself, where could your relationship use a little more understanding? Maybe it's learning to listen differently, or finding fresh ways to reconnect. The future of love isn't less human. It's about using Evie.